student. Today's topic is third and final topic of fish cum poultry farming, and I have taken the fourth class on the integrated fish farming. Broiler and the layer variety of chicken can be raised in the fish cum poultry farming, and 1 day old chick are raised to the pullet stage where they are put in the layer cages. Fish culture in the poultry can be extensive or in the intensive farming, and it is installed by side of the pond. Floor of the house is cemented and made up with the slope, so eggs may roll forward. For layers, the floor are required about the 30 centimeter square, while the broilers it is the 50 to 20 centimeter squares. The usual floor space allotted for the each bird is the 20, 30 into 40 centimeter. The birds are confined in the cages, standard cage with the galvanized wiring, and the dropping. There should be a tray arrangement, and the manuring for the 1 hectare water. It is the 250 layers, means 250 chickens, and the 4 batches of the 200 broiler in the educate year time. So you can see wire mesh is here. Whatever dropping is uh, done by the broiler or layers drop down into the fish pond, and it is the slope. So with this slope, egg can be rolled or water will be not clogged. So here whenever you will open the cage, so there will be the two separate uh, land and the water. So by the time chicken and the layer or player can move around here, and whenever you put in the cage, by this slope, the whole dropping and the food will down into the water pond. Fish raising ponds are stocked with the fingerlings of the cutla, silver carp, common carp, morels, tilapia, giant water prawns. The stocking density of the fish related with the poultry and the period of the culture. Very well or very mixed fingerling is the कतला रोहू एंड मृगल जो पूरे तीनों लेयर को कतला सरफेस फीडर है, रोहू कॉलम फीडर है और मृगल या मरेल्स जो है वो बॉटम फीडर है। तो सारे पॉन्ड का वेजिटेशन और बायोटा और फ्लोरा और फोना कैन बी यूज्ड एज ए फिंगर फूड और देयर विल बी द नो कंपटीशन। और in 1 hectare pond, there is stock is the 500 giant freshwater prawns, Macrobergum rosenbergi. Macrobergum rosenbergi का सबसे अच्छा इकोनॉमिक वैल्यू है क्योंकि इसकी ग्रोथ रेट बहुत अच्छी है और ये चॉइस ऑफ फूड है पब्लिक का. With the 1500 silver carp cultured for the period of the 4 months and can harvest up to 600 kilogram of the prawn. A large quantity of the prawns. So 600 kilogram is a very good economic value, and prawn value in the market is up to the 1000 rupees per kg. So 600 into 1000, 6 lakh rupees can be earned in a 4 month of the time. So fish can be prawn can be grown in the fish culture, and up to the 6 lakh rupees can be earned in a very short duration up to the 6 months. The culturing over a period of 1 year, ponds may be stocked with the fingerlings of the katla, common carp, silver carp, grass carp, density of the 5000 to 6000 fingerlings per hectare, and end of the 12 months, you will get the 300 3900 kilogram per hectare normally, and along with the 42,000 eggs and 200 cured birds. So you will be very much economically in beneficiary. So 393,900 kilograms. So it is a very lucrative and good output, and 42,000 eggs and 200 birds for the marketing. So it will be the very good output. Chicks are readily available. Chicks are readily available for the productivity can be improved with the simple and the cheap management. Disadvantage है chicks should be examined from time to time for the disease. If they have the disease or the ill, there should be isolation. Otherwise, your whole stock will be the eliminate, and you will suffer from a big economic loss. And sufficient time should be given for one stroking of the chick to the next for the renovation of the house and disinfection. Disinfection is a very necessary part, time to time and with periodic gap interval. It should be disinfectant and with specific time of duration. Every bird or fish should be checked whether there is any disease. It may be a bacterial, it may be a fungal, it may be a viral disease. If there is a disease, it should be immediately cured. Other fish integrated farming is the fish with the cattle farming. अपर साइड पे केटल को ग्रो कर सकते हैं जिसके जैसे काऊ बफेलो और इनके तो इनके जो भी इनका वेस्ट है इनके इससे आप फिश को जैसे पहले बात करिए मेन्योर से इनको फीड मिल जाता है फिश कम रेबिट फार्मिंग हो सकता है फिश कम मलबेरी फार्मिंग हो सकता है शहतूत मलबेरी में शहतूत so mulberry farming can be done with the silkworm production. So mulberry is choice of the silkworm, and you can grow fish with the silkworm. So by the time you will get the silk as well as fish in the fish cum mulberry farming. Fish cum pig farming we have already discussed. Thank you.